In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pages in Figma. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your design workflow, understanding how to navigate pages within Figma is a crucial skill. Let's dive in and explore the steps you need to take. First, head over to Figma's website. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that many designers use to bring their ideas to life. Once you're on the website, you'll notice the login button. If you already have an account, simply click on login. This will take you where you need to enter your credentials. If you're not already a Figma user, you'll first need to sign up for an account. It's a quick process and well worth it for accessing Figma's vast array of design tools. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your central hub in Figma, where you can access all your design files and projects. From this page, you have the ability to see recent files, create new projects, and manage shared documents. Now let's proceed to the next step, which is crucial for accessing pages on Figma. From the home page, locate and click on Design. This will navigate you to the design file you're working on. The design section is essentially your canvas where all the magic happens in Figma. Here you can start your journey of creating impressive design projects. With the design file open, you'll notice an option labeled Pages on the left sidebar. Pages in Figma are akin to layers or sections within a project file, allowing you to separate different parts of your designs for better organization. This feature is particularly helpful when working on complex projects with multiple sections or when collaborating with others. Once you've clicked on Pages, you'll see a list that either contains existing pages or might be empty if you're starting fresh. If you wish to add a new section or start a new area within your design, simply find and click on Add New Page in the Pages section. This action helps keep your work perfectly structured, ensuring each element of your project is easily accessible and editable. You can name your new page to reflect its content or purpose, which further aids in organization. And there you have it. In a few easy steps, you've navigated to pages in Figma and added a new one to your project. Whether you're creating a new concept, categorizing parts of a design, or prepping for collaboration, using pages effectively can make your design process smoother and more efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to explore Figma further to refine your skills and enhance your projects.